Japan's automotive industry is renowned for its innovation, precision, and performance, all rooted in the visionary founders who shaped it into a global powerhouse. Brands like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Mazda owe their success to these pioneers, driven by an unwavering passion for automobiles. From early experimentation with steam-powered buses to cutting-edge electric vehicles, these 9 extraordinary individuals have transformed the Japanese automotive sector. These founders not only brought ingenuity but also cultural values and principles into the industry, establishing Japan's reputation for quality and reliability. The influence of Japanese culture is evident in the unique and efficient vehicle designs they developed. Today, the Japanese automotive landscape encompasses popular domestic cars and a thriving car rental industry. Moreover, the industry's eco-conscious direction has led to innovations in electric vehicles, hybrids, and fuel-efficient K-trucks. This progress is closely tied to Japan's urban development, with Tokyo being a pedestrian-friendly city and the Junior Rail Pass system exemplifying their forward-thinking approach. Understanding the achievements of these founders is crucial to appreciating the industry's remarkable evolution and its ongoing global impact on transportation. Toyota Motor Corporation. Kiichiro Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Motor Corporation, stands at the helm of the world's premier automobile company. Toyota's profound influence on the global automotive industry spans not only its home base in Japan but also numerous countries worldwide. Kiichiro's journey began as an assistant within his father's enterprise, Toyota Loom Works, before he went on to establish the automotive giant that is Toyota today. Nissan Motor Company, Limited. Nissan Motor Company, Limited, has evolved into a prominent automobile manufacturer, making its mark not only in Japan but on a global scale. As one of the foremost Japanese automotive brands, Nissan wields substantial influence in the industry. Its inception in 1933 involved the collaboration of notable individuals, including Masujiro Hashimoto, Kenji Oden, Rokuro Aoyama, Maitaro Takeuchi, Yoshisu Kaikawa, and William R. Gorham, a founding team that laid the foundation for Nissan's enduring success. Honda Motor Company, Limited. In 1948, Soichiro Honda established Honda Motor Company, Limited, which has since grown into a behemoth within both the automotive and motorcycle sectors. Honda, celebrated for its pioneering technology and unwavering reliability, occupies a prominent and influential role not only in Japan's automotive landscape but also within its cultural fabric. Mazda Motor Corporation. Mazda Motor Corporation, founded by Jujiro Matsuda in 1920, holds a significant position in the Japanese automotive sector. Renowned for their stylish design and innovative Skyactiv technology, Mazda vehicles are synonymous with enhanced fuel efficiency and performance. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. Yataro Iwasaki laid the foundation for Mitsubishi Motors Corporation, an automotive entity with a rich and enduring history. Renowned for its cutting-edge vehicle technology, Mitsubishi plays a pivotal role in Japan's automotive landscape. The company's portfolio extends beyond passenger vehicles, encompassing a diverse range of commercial vehicles and electric cars. Suzuki Motor Corporation. In 1909, Michio Suzuki founded Suzuki Motor Corporation, originally specializing in the manufacture of weaving looms. Later on, the company made a successful transition into the automotive industry, emerging as a notable player, especially within the Japanese K-car market. Subaru Corporation. Founded by Kenji Kita, Subaru Corporation is celebrated for its innovation in all-wheel drive technology and boxer engines. Subaru operates under the umbrella of the prominent conglomerate, Fuji Heavy Industries, boasting a storied legacy in Japan's automotive industry. Subaru automobiles are highly regarded for their dependable performance and reliability. Kawasaki Motors Corporation. Shozo Kawasaki, formerly employed in the shipbuilding division of Kawasaki Heavy Industries, established Kawasaki in 1949. Their inaugural offering, the K1 motorcycle, debuted in 1950. Kawasaki swiftly ascended to a prominent position among Japan's motorcycle manufacturers, and by the 1960s, it had begun exporting its motorcycles to international markets. Yamaha Motor Company, Limited. Founded in 1955 by Torakusu Yamaha, the same visionary behind the Yamaha Corporation, renowned for its musical instruments, Yamaha Motor embarked on its journey by manufacturing compact two-stroke engines for applications like lawn mowers and other small devices. In the early 1960s, the company expanded its repertoire to include motorcycles, and by the mid-1960s, Yamaha had emerged as a global powerhouse in the motorcycle manufacturing industry.